Right now, in this exact moment, your eyes are lying to you. Don't believe me? Let's prove it. Look at the screen. I want you to close your right eye, or cover it with your hand. Now, with your left eye, stare directly at the black minus sign on the right. Keep your eye locked on that minus sign as it starts to move. Don't look at the cross. Just keep tracking the minus sign. Something strange is going to happen to the cross in your peripheral vision. Right about now. Did the cross just vanish? No, it didn't fade out or shrink. For a split second, your brain completely erased it from existence, replacing it with pure white background. You just found your optic blind spot. Every single human being on Earth has one in each eye. But to understand why you have a physical hole in your vision, we have to look at one of the biggest glitches in human evolution. Think of your eye like a spherical room. The inner back wall of this room is lined with millions of tiny, light-sensitive tiles called photoreceptors. This is your retina. When light enters the front of the room, it hits these tiles. The tiles convert that light into electrical signals, which then need to be sent to your brain. To do this, every single tile needs a wire. So far, this makes perfect logical sense. But here is where nature made a massive architectural mistake. If you were designing this system, you would attach the wires to the back of the tiles, right? Keep them out of the way of the light. But human eyes are wired backward. The wires come out of the front of the photoreceptors. They sit between the incoming light and the sensors. All of these millions of wires have to gather together into one thick cable, the optic nerve, and somehow exit the eyeball to reach your brain. Because they are on the inside, they have to plunge directly through the retina. At the exact spot where that cable exits the eye, there is no room for light receptors. It is a biological dead zone. This is why cephalopods, like octopuses, actually have better designed eyes than we do. Their wires exit out the back. If an engineer built a digital camera where the wiring ran directly across the front of the lens and smashed a hole right through the center of the sensor, they would be fired. Yet, this is exactly what you are looking through right now. So why don't you walk around seeing two dark, empty black holes floating in your vision all day? Because your brain is a master photo editor. It completely refuses to let you see the void. Your brain takes the colors, shapes, and patterns surrounding your blind spot and uses them to guess what should be in the hole. It essentially uses a biological clone stamp tool, live editing your reality 24 hours a day, seamlessly pasting over the glitch so you never notice it's there. You don't see reality exactly as it is. You see the highly edited, backward-wired, stitched-together version your brain wants you to see. Thanks for watching.